Okay, so I just sent an email to the rest of our team. And as you know, today we were supposed to start editing our show. This is a good example of when we're doing team projects, how, if not everyone has their element ready to go, that it kind of puts us at a standstill. So for example, when we're at school and we're all together, let's say that we have the whole show ready to go and that the anchors are absent on that day. Now we can regroup when we're at school because we can see if someone else would be willing to step in and anchor. But if, the point being, if you are missing key players, it's hard to move forward. So like in the real world, for example, if the anchors didn't show up and you didn't have any reporters who could step in, that would be difficult. Or let's say the director, like super important position that actually does the show, doesn't show up, then that would be real hard because you wouldn't have anyone to put the show on. So this just is a good example how it kind of leaves us in limbo. But this is our first time doing this, so it's a learning experience, so we're going to learn from that. There really just isn't much editing. I think we have all of our clips that we need. I have some in my bin that I need to put in there, like the I don't know if I put the Matrix in there. I've got the Matrix, I've got the Trump manatee. I feel like I have something else in there too. So they're in my bin. I just need to move them over to our class bin. So I guess let me look at what we've got for and Gabriel, thank you. I can tell that oh good, I like how you did that. Added that nice. That looks good. I like that, Gabriel, how you added that line with anchors and then B-roll in another one. That's good. So let's see here. I assume that was you, Gabriel. Oh, whoop, someone here. Yay, Tyrone. So we'll see if he did. Of course, he doesn't really have much B-roll for his to cover. Let's see. Go away, Kendrick. Good morning, Tyrone.
Good morning.
Were you, did you by chance get your segment, your sports segment recorded yesterday?
Not yet, but I'm gonna try to record today.
Okay, so it sounds like you've got a bright and early, everyone's up, rise and shine house there. So do you have a quiet spot in your house that you can record this morning?
Yeah, my door is open. My sister's in school too, so.
Oh, okay. So they're gonna be okay. Yeah. So how about this, Tyrone? Because we're also our other anchors. Yours is not, because yours is kind of self-contained on its own. I'm not as worried about getting yours done like right this second, but if you can go here shortly, go put your paper up and kind of do some dry run-throughs of practicing it and get one that you like and get that dropped into and I believe you are, you're in the Wii video, aren't you?
Yeah, I don't, that does have to be a class code.
Yeah, I thought I saw, let me look. I thought I saw you in here. Yep, you're already in there. So you've already joined. So all you have to do is log in. Let me make sure though that you're on the project. So you can drop your clip in the project bin. Let's see here. Yep, you're in there as well. So Tyrone, all you've got to do is when you log into WeVideo, you will see you'll see that you're in. It's called AM First Show. It's probably the only thing that'll show up on yours, and you click on that. And then when you click on that, you'll see Project Media, and that's where you can, there should be a blue button in the bottom right. You click that, and then you go select your media to put in there. So if you can work on that this morning, and then I was getting ready to look. Oh, pardon me, you all. I need to get that first cup of coffee down so I can get my second cup of coffee. So let me look in. Okay, Canvas. I'm looking in Canvas here, so bear with me. Kendrick, hush. Shh. Come here. Okay. Kendrick, down. Okay, so good boy. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go ahead and take a break and then come back at our normal second block time at 9:20. That will give the other people 30 minutes that they hopefully get my email and respond to me, and or they hopefully oh, here's Ethan. Yay. Okay, good. He was probably on the bus if they're still in person. Let's see. Good morning, Ethan. Hey, yep, he's at school. Y'all are back in school. Okay. So you probably were on the bus and didn't get the email I just sent. I could never remember, Ethan, because I don't have my whiteboard in front of me that I have at school. I was like, okay, are my anchors, are they in class at their homeschool this morning, or is that just Tuesdays? So did you, Ethan, by chance get your segment recorded yet?
I didn't get transcription, but I should this after.
Okay. So yeah, if you can get that done this afternoon and drop that in, because I think Gabriel made a graphic maybe did you make a graphic for him, Gabriel? Yeah, Gabriel made your full screen that you wanted in there with your numbers or stats or whatever you had. So he can't drop that into it until your part's in it, so he can match it up where you talk. So if you can get that done this afternoon when you get home, and you're in the We video already, so that's good. So just go into there and add it to the project media bin, and then we'll go from there. And then I'm still waiting on our anchor ladies to hear what their status is. So what I was getting ready to tell the team here is Tyrone, you're at Henry Clay. Is your only day that y'all have the conflicts with my class on Tuesdays?
I think so.
Okay, that's what I thought, but I wasn't for sure because I don't have my schedule right here in front of me. So y'all, let's go ahead and break for now, and then come back at our 9:20 second block class, and then hopefully that gives the others time to get my email and respond if they're in a class or if they're coming today. And then hopefully if they're coming, we can get their clips loaded so we can do some editing. So Ethan and Tyrone might have caught the tail end of my message that when we're working on a team thing, it's like in this case, we can't really move forward until we have all the pieces. And again, it's unique because we're doing this remotely. We're trying to put a show together remotely. When we're in person and we're doing it at school, we're recording it right there at school. So this is different and it is tricky. but we're learning as we go. So go ahead and take your break. It's 8:50, and then we'll see you back here at 9:20. And then if we still haven't heard from them, we'll be finishing up early. I'll go over a couple of announcements, and we'll plan from there. Okay? Sound like a plan? All righty. Well, I will see you back here in 30 minutes, y'all. Thank you. Bye-bye.